there, my loves, this is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, a dessert for the cheese lovers. I know, right? It is very, very popular in Brazil, this combination, and I hope you like it. I'm gonna give you more variations along the video, but this cheese flan with guava sauce is something else. They were meant to be guava and cheese. So much so that in Brazil we have a dessert that it's just a slice of cheese and a slice of guava jam, and a little bit harder than a jam that we call it Romeo and Juliet because they were meant to be. Okay, so let me show you how I put it together. In a pot with the heat off, we're going to add plant-based milk. I'm using soy milk, vegan yogurt, this is coconut yogurt, sugar, or sweetened condensed milk. If you want a recipe for a sweetened condensed milk, I have two recipes, very, very good ones. Click over here. It is even better, but I didn't have any because every time I make, I finish it really, really fast because it's one of my favorite things in a whole wide world, okay? And pizza. But let's stick to the video. You put either sugar or sweetened condensed milk, vanilla essence. Now, the cheese taste. And the cheese taste comes from nooch, the good old nooch, or nutritional yeast. Yes. So I had added to this, for this recipe, a quarter cup, but in my opinion, at the end, I could have added more to give more of that cheesy taste, but it's up to you. And finally, cornstarch. Remember, the heat is off, okay? It's necessary that the heat is off because if you mix the cornstarch and the heat is on, it's immediately going to form lumps. So we need to dissolve everything, then you can turn on the heat. Medium, low heat, and now you stir continuously until it thickens up like so. Now you have two options because life is made out of options. You can add the flan to either small individual molds or a big plate or whatever you choose again. So I had those mini ones and I think it looks nicer for pictures, but a family style, I would definitely make it in bundt pan? Yeah, a bundt pan because it looks like big and beautiful. So you put it in the fridge for at least 3 hours. It needs to cool completely and it needs to be cold because it's supposed to be served cold, all right? And now for the sauce, it's very easy. At the supermarkets, usually either in the jam section or in the Latino section, you're going to find either guava jam or guava in a bar. I mean, it's like a jam, but it's hard. It's in a rectangular bar. Either one is fine, okay? You just need to, if you buy the one in a bar, you grind it and then you add a little bit of water and you put it in a small pan and you put it in the heat and dissolve everything. And then when you're supposed to serve with the cold flan, you added the hot sauce on top. And I tell you, trust me, it is unusual because apart from South America, I don't know any other country that has a guava present in their diet like we do, especially in Brazil, and especially in the south of Brazil, we are crazy about it. Chocolate sauce is fine, okay, and red fruit sauce is fine, but I will repeat because I want you to absorb this information, okay? Imprint it in your brain. Guava jam is the best for this, okay? Like I said, if you're using the guava, if you think it's too thick, add a little bit of water, put it in the microwave or in your stove in a small pot and stir until it dissolves, okay? And this is it.
Every time I close my eyes, I see your
How about this? Didn't I tell you? Guys, make it. The options I was gonna tell you, it's like the sauce. You can change the sauce and add anything you want. Blackberry sauce, it's really, really good. Cherry sauce, whatever. I'm gonna say one more time, okay? You ready? Guava is the best. Okay, I said it. I couldn't hold myself, okay? It is what it is. I'm telling you, that's what I'm here for, to give you the best of my experiences and share it with you. And this is one of them. It's been a while now that I wanted to make something with the cheese and guava. And I was like, okay, I'm sold, I gotta make it because it's easy, it's affordable, it's like no fuss, just like we like it, and still it looks like what? $1 million, so what's not to like? So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like, really hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel. If you already subscribed, check if you still are, because YouTube is playing out like, right. And share and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite sauce, okay? I know at the end you're going to say, I tried them all, but I prefer the guava. And I'm gonna be like, high five, I know. So, see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye. Yeah, I forgot. Right? And here I am, eating my dessert.